Namaste, good morning. For the first, thank you so much. My name is Prakash Dhakkal. I from is Nepal, Kathmandu. I am 29 years old. My education is SLC pass. I am married, one son. My experience job is Saudi Arabia, 5 years old. Kitchen helper and Dubai, 2 years old supply company. Thank you.
आरामले गर्नु ढिलो गर्नु के 1 मिनेट नि भए हैन कहाँ फटाफट गरे तल पनि अब त्यतै मिलाउनु आरामले